Hello guys, welcome back to the 645i project. So, I've just had a look around this car and it's absolutely filthy. We're going to try and give it a bit of a sponge bath and see what we can do, see if you can recover any of the paint work on this car. Hopefully there's nothing too wrong with it. So all we're trying to do here is get rid of the top layer of dirt on the car. Using a pressure washer and then just Fairy Liquid and a bit of an old rag of some description, and then a pressure washer again at the ends, just trying to assess the level of the paintwork on the car in general. So at least we'll know what we're working with at the end of this when we've uncovered the car from the layer of dust that sits over it. I think unfortunately somebody's trying to matte black the roof. So there's no real shine on it. It feels like a matte finish. So, well done, Captain. Wow, whoever's done that. Alright, it's a bit desperate, but just want to see if this gets rid of any of these bigger scratches. Probably a respray job at this point. Okay. Well, it's done an amazing job of making the scratches more noticeable. Having given the car a bit of a sponge bath, I can sort of see what paintwork is needed. So the door's pretty good until you get to here. It's got this scrape across it. And it looks like maybe it's a key mark and someone's tried to fill it in. I'm hoping a bit of polish will blend that in quite well, but another one here. Door's alright. Front wing isn't too bad, pretty swirly. You'd expect in the rear quarter panel as well. Much the same. The roof's an interesting one. That is properly ruined. And then same sort of thing with this. Makes you wonder if someone spraying painted it matte black. Going on further back. This rear bumper around here is okay. We've got big old scrapes and things, which we'll try and blend a bit with the polisher. Here we're doing a bit of cutting compound to see if we can reduce down some of these bigger scratches, but it doesn't really seem to do that. Just gets rid of the little flaws. This side is pretty good. Not very many marks. Quite good paintwork. This is still a bit dusty. That bonnet is completely gone. The texture on it is terrible. This tells me it can't be salvaged at all. This here looks like it would have been repaired at some point. That's the primer from that repair. And little marks like this. Someone's tried to fill it in with one of those little touch-up pens. Same sort of situation on the front bumper. Fairly good. Lots of little scratches. Probably be okay. And the wing, exact same situation. I'm going to try and see if I can get a replacement boot lid, 2 front wings and bonnet for this thing. And then at least it'll be in presentable order and I can go and do all my polishing stuff. Yeah, I've not washed this very well, have I? We'll get there. Time for some interior work. that for a contact lens? Huh? There is one thing about this car that I noticed I should have been probably quite concerned about, but tend to ignore it, and that is the amount of, you can taste it. The amount of these things trying to cover up something's going on in the car. Look at them. The car kind of smells of smoke, but also when you leave it after driving it, it smells kind of like oil. Someone likes vanilla. And then obviously some bad stuff has happened inside of here. The fuck? Okay. Reversing this bad boy modification. Oh, lovely. Don't know what I was expecting really. And this little motorsport badge. Where have you gone? There's also this aux cable. Does it work? Oh. That's cool if it works. Hang on. Should be enough to get you working. Oh, god damn it. Entertainment, audio, aux. Right, I'm assuming that's you. Get in there. Oh well.